In this video, I'm going to give you the top 5 winning products for TikTok Shop for January 2026. So first, let's talk about why January is a unique month. So first of all, it's the new year, so most people have the fresh start mindset. People want to fix things they ignored all year. So typically the categories that do really well are home reset and organization, and also anything related to wellness and self-improvement. Because typically people are willing to spend more on health and wellness and also self-improvement during this time. And January products tend to win when they improve daily life, make routines easier or enjoyable, support wellness or improvement, and are easy to demonstrate visually. And lastly, products that do really well on TikTok Shop usually have these traits. They have instant visual clarity, so viewers can understand it within a few seconds. They solve a daily annoyance, so it's a product that solves a problem. And also they are affiliate friendly, which means they're easy for creators to demonstrate at home. So let's talk about product number 1. So this product is a motion censored cabinet lights. And the reason why this does so well is that it's an instant before and after transformation. It's easy to install, so it's low friction, and it works in many areas in the home. And as well as it's extremely affiliate friendly. And as you can see here, this product has been selling really well, doing over $630,000 in just the last 30 days. And when you come down here, we're able to see the exact product demo. So let's look at this one.
Contractors will never tell you this trick, but once you see it, you'll totally get it. Stop wasting money on these battery lights. You end up swapping out this many every single month. What a total money drain. Try this instead. This motion sensor light installs with no drilling, no wiring. Perfect for dark corners in the kitchen, closet, or bathroom. Soft glow, never harsh, and it lights up the instant you walk by, then shuts off on its own when you leave. Just look at the difference. The whole space feels warmer and way more upgraded. And it's rechargeable. One charge lasts a full year. My neighbor saw mine and immediately asked me for the link. Right now it's 50% off plus free shipping.
And the tool that I'm using to research is called Data, in case you didn't know. And if you want access to the tool, I will include a direct link to a free trial in the description below. And let's say if you want to export the script of this video, we can just click on Export Script, click on Transcript Export, and then in a few seconds, it's going to export the exact script. So we can just click Copy, or we can use the script optimizer that's built in, and it basically breaks down the script for you and tell you exactly why it was so effective. So this could be really helpful as well. So let's come back here, exit this, and let's go to product number 2. So the second product that we are going to talk about is the Smart Scale for body weight. So as you can see here, this product has been trending really hard lately. And let's take a look at the product demo.
Blue if you've stayed the same, green if you've lost, and purple if you've gained. This is the Alcedo Smart Scale. This is the ultimate way to track and reach your goals for 2026. This scale not only tracks your weight, but it also tracks BMI, body fat, body mass, so many other things. Don't miss the huge sale going on. I'll put it down below.
And the reason why this product would do really well is that it's a perfect New Year goal tracking product. It has a clear emotional trigger. People want instant proof that their efforts are working. And it's a daily habit product, so it's being used every single day. And it's also really easy to create content with. So these are the reasons why I think this product would do really well. So the next product that we're going to talk about is the Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. We can see all the basic information here, the seller information. It has also been selling really well. And let's take a look at the product demo.
Instead of doing this, you could be doing this. I got this from the TikTok shop. Technically, it's a mattress vacuum, but it works insanely well on couches too. And believe it or not, this is what came out after just 4 passes. I was literally shook. It uses ultrasonic pulses, 33,000 taps per minute to shake dust mites out from deep inside your mattress. When it detects mites, the light turns red. You hold it there for a few seconds, and once it's clean, it turns blue. It also uses UV light and hot air to kill 99.9% of bacteria, dust, and allergens. So if you've got allergies or you've been getting sick more than usual lately, you really need to try this. This usually goes for around $200, but right now it's over 60% off with a 10-year warranty and lifetime support. There is nothing I hate more than being sick and nothing I love more than a clean home. So for me, this is a total must-have. I'm dropping the link below. Grab it while it's still on sale.
And the reason why this product I think could do really well is that it offers shocking visual proof, so it's good for content, and it solves the actual problem because it offers health and allergy relief. So I think this product has really good potential. So the next winning product is the red light therapy lamp. So this product is health and wellness related, so it ties into the New Year improvement theme. And this product, as you can see, is starting to pick up recently and is definitely trending up. And let's take a look at a demo.
This very affordable and very versatile red light panel went out of stock for like 2 days and everyone was losing their minds. So it is back in stock. I love that it has this stand, but the panel also does peel off and you can use it directly on your body. It has 5 different settings. It has a timer that can go all the way up to 90 minutes. It's linked in the orange card.
And the reason why this product could do really well is that red light therapy is trending. It's one of the most talked about wellness tools right now. It basically offers people an at-home recovery solution. And this is great for an audience who are into biohacking or just general wellness. So the last winning product that we're going to talk about is the AI Smart Food Scale. And as you can see here, this product has been doing really well at the end of the year, going into the new year. And let's come down here to check out the product demo.
I hate to break this to you, but you are overeating without even realizing it. Chick-fil-A sauce, 103 calories. Chick-fil-A waffle fries, 769 calories. How about some clementines? Toss them on our scale, 94.5 calories for 3 of them. Y'all choose your snacks wisely. If you're wondering how the scale knows what's on here, there's an app that syncs with it. You type in or scan whatever food you want to weigh. It gives you all the nutrition facts live updating on this screen. You can also save it to the app and track your food that way. Don't take my word for it. Over 100,000 of these have been sold on TikTok. They're running Black Friday sales. Take advantage. I'll drop the link right here.
And this product is perfect for people who have New Year fitness and weight loss goals because it solves a painful weight loss blind spot. So that's why I think this product has potential to do well. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing. I post every month on the winning products on TikTok Shop. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.